Hi, I'm Kyle from Homesmith, and this is the third video on the Maslow CNC machine. In this video, we'll be installing the firmware on the Maslow CNC machine. First thing you need to do is make sure Arduino is plugged up into the computer, and then you need to go on the Maslow website. Once you're on the website, you need to go to the assembly guide. Scroll down to step 2, click on that. Go to download the Arduino IDE, click on that. And then click on whichever computer you're running. I'm running Windows, so I'm going to install that one. Click download and wait for it to download. Okay, now that the Arduino's program is finished downloading, click on it and install it. Okay, now that we've finished installing it, we need to go back to the Maslow website and go back to programming the Arduino. Scroll down to where it says download the latest Maslow firmware. Click on the link and download the latest firmware. Now that that's done downloading, we need to open it, extract it, and then open the file. Go to the CNC, click on it again, and then it should open the Arduino program we just downloaded. Then go to Tools, go to Board, select the board, go to Tools again, select the port that it's plugged into, then go and press the Upload button and let that upload. Takes a minute. And you can start this out because it takes a minute for it to upload the stuff to it.
Maybe just speed it up.
Yeah, that too.
Could have just played your other screen video back and just captioned it.
I could have. That would save so much time. Well, I'm back where I was anyway, so it's whatever. It only took a couple seconds. Okay, now that it's done uploading, we finished the firmware part of the Arduino. Now we need to go back to the Maslow website and click on step 3, installing ground control. I'm using a Windows computer, so I'm gonna click the Windows one and then click on the link for downloading it. And then click Ground Control Windows Portable, the zip file, and then let that download. Now that that's done downloading, open it up and extract it. Yeah, I do that too. Yeah, I don't know how fast I'm going, it's hard to tell, but if it does, I can just voice it over now that I realize that. which will be nice. Okay, now that that's done extracting, click on the folder and click on Launch Ground Control. Beautiful. And now you're done. That is ground control. That is it for this video. Don't forget to check out the next video where we'll be building the frame for the Maslow CNC machine. Don't forget to check out DIYHomesmith.com. It will have all the links to our social media accounts, and we also do make house plans, full house plans, for $20. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to tune into the next video.